Mweri umwe kuuma munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto agena icigo-ini cia irathiro ria bururi riu kioneki giake icigo-ini ici ni kironeka ta gitamukiritio kuringana na wendi wake. Ateti ikamba-ini makimuria ethagathage gwitikira kuhotwo githurano-ini kia mweri wa 8. Mumbunge wa Matungulu niwe Stephen Mule no wikitie muhoyo akiuga arumiriria a Ruto ni majitie mutugo wa kuregana na maumirira akirongoreria mbukirira iria cieyumiririe mbunge-ini hindi ya ndereti ya mogaruruku maria mendekithagio hari mutaratara wa watho wa ciama cia kiuteti.
Umekuwa ukiwadanganya uko na wabunge wengi mbungeni kuliko vyama zile zingine zote. Namba zilienda wapi? Hao wabunge walikuwa wapi? Na tunarudi huko Tuesday kumalizia huyo mswada, bado tutawashinda na msituletea kisirani kwa bunge vile tuliona mkituletea.
Miario ya Mule giukarire mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka athiete na mbere gwikinyira ndagenyita Ruto baru hari gutetera giturwa gia president.
Bwana Ruto and your team, I want to put you on notice. In August 2022, if we defeat you, please pack and go home. Don't bring chaos in this country.
Mule ningi ni augite mubango wa Ruto wa gukuria utonga wa bururi kuuma na thi nginyagia iguru niguo bottom up no uteti wa ciraniro itahinga.
Last 8 years, the deputy president was the chairman of the Economic Council of Governors and all CECs in the counties. And as a chairman, you have the power to deliver services to all the counties in Kenya. If you could not deliver for those 8 years, please don't give us stories of bottom up. We know you have failed to deliver to counties, to deliver services to Kenyans, and we are not going to allow you to be in power to go ahead and blackmail and lie to Kenyans.
Gicigo kia ikamba-ini ni kimwe kia iria inyitaga mbaru Raila Odinga na njira nene no munini wa president uria ukoretwo ukiguciriria ateti kuuma gicigo giki athiete ona mbere gwikinyira maundu ni ngurani na hau kabere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwahu wa Ndungu.